Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today video is about beautiful handmade crochet cushion designs that add warmth, elegance and comfort to any living space. Whether you are decorating your bedroom, lounge, guest room or a cozy sitting area, these stylish crochet cushions are the perfect choice of enhance your home's beauty. Handmade crochet cushions are more than just decorative piece. They bring a unique charm and personal touch to your interior. Their intricate patterns, soft textures, and timeless designs make them suitable for modern, classic, and traditional home decor. You can place them in your bed, sofa, armchair, or in a special guest room to create a welcome and relaxing atmosphere. These cushions are ideal for everyday use as well as special occasions. When friends and family visit to your homes, they instantly made any space feel more comfortable, elegant, and inviting. Every handmade piece reflects creativity, craftsmanship, and attention to detail, making it wonderful addition to your home or a thoughtful gift for loved ones. If you enjoy handmade video, If you enjoy handmade crochet creation and home decor inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest video. Thank you for watching and will you see